Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amaka. If you're new here, thank you so much for clicking on this video. I'm showing you guys how I achieved the big bun. Okay, I call it the big royal bun on natural hair. So I'm just going to do a few steps with a little bit of hair extension, and yeah, let's get right into this video. So I start off by moisturizing my hair, a little bit of water, and I'm using this hair serum. It's like a hair polisher, just to add a little bit of shine to my hair. Okay, it also has a mix of oils that really get my scalp very settled. Okay, so I love that hair polisher. So yeah, I'm using my pick comb, just going to pick my hair all the way to the top. Okay, I'm picking it upwards. All right, so I'll be able to molding and forming the bun. Okay, so I'm gonna brush around my edges, guys, and get the bun started. I'm not going to be using any gel on this hairstyle just because most hairstyles you can achieve without gel, guys. Okay, so I'm trying to limit the use of gel on my hair. So I'm using my very good and trusted shoelace. All right, you can use a hair tie here, but I love the shoelace. It has a strong grip. Okay, so I'm using the shoelace to gather my hair all the way upward. All right, so in the center of my hair, on the very center, I'm just going to make a little hole and gather just a little part of my hair. At this point, I'm going to add my hair extension. This is just going to help make sure that the center has a little bit of balance and it's not wobbly and it's not shaking while we form the bun. So this next stages steps, guys, are very clear. Okay, there's going to be a lot of twisting and pinning, so I'm just going to let you guys enjoy this video and I'll be back.
Are you ready? Yes, I am. They say you a superstar, now damn, I guess I am. You might be the man, well that's unless I am. Okay, I'll confess I am. Go ahead and get undressed, I am. Okay, cool, you want sunset? I'm about to slide, okay, I'm outside, okay. This lifestyle don't got many downsides, except for the lack of time I get around my family. Making sure they never downsize. I got visions of my mom saying, wait, this house mine. Can't lie, I'm on Angus Cloud 9. I got him on the bandwagon now, about time. I ain't even got no downtime. Every time I speak, she say, yeah, that sounds fine. I've been throw up the sex in her.
Alright guys, so I think I had a total of 8 different large twists on my hair. Okay, so I'm using these very little bobby pins. These pins, I found out that they're much better than the bigger ones because they're very easy to hide and it doesn't really like itch you on your scalp or on your hair. It's very little and yeah, it has a huge and a good grip as well. So I'm just going to pin my twist in a way that it shapes and yeah, looks good on me. I advise that you always look at your face and look at which placement works best and yeah, place the bun around each other, okay, and make it look good. So I use my scarf to just set a part of my hair and I'm using a bonnet to set my bun as well. That bonnet helps to give the bun a very well rounded shape. And yeah, this is the final look, guys. Very straightforward, very easy to do. I'm sure you guys will be able to recreate these. If you do, don't forget to come back here and share the testimony. All right, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please drop a like. Okay, this is me feeling myself because it wasn't easy, guys. All right, I truly appreciate you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, join the family. All right,
I've been throw up the sex in her. And I can put you in.
thank you guys for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Join the family and I'll see you guys in the next Bye guys.
And I can put you in. And I can put you in. Hop in a